Hello friends, welcome to this channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. In this session we are going to see how we'll get the eigenvalues within second for 3 by 3 matrix. What is the shortcut trick that we are going to see. If you missed the earlier part of this lecture series, the link is available in description box. In that lecture series we have seen or we have developed some videos for the shortcut tricks to find the inverse of 2 by 2, 3 by 3 matrix, then eigenvalues of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix. You can check, link is available in description box. So now we are going to find out the eigenvalues of 3 by 3 matrix, where this is the 3 row and 3 column. So these eigenvalues we can get by using this characteristic equation, like a determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0, where a is the given matrix, lambda is the constant, I is the identity matrix. So by using this characteristic equation we can get the eigenvalues. But here we will see some shortcut trick to find out the eigenvalues. So for that, remember this formula: lambda cube plus minus sum of diagonal elements of this matrix into lambda square plus sum of diagonal minors into lambda minus determinant of given matrix is equal to 0. So this formula is what? Lambda cube minus sum of diagonal elements into lambda square plus sum of diagonal minus into lambda minus determinant of a is equal to 0. So now lambda cube minus sum of diagonal elements means these are the diagonal elements 1, 3 and 4. So what is the sum? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, that is 8 lambda square plus sum of diagonal minus means whatever the diagonal elements are there, we have to take the minus of that. So for first 1, so we hide this row and this column, so we are getting 3, 1, 2, 4. So determinant of this 3 into 4, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 2, that is 10. Then second we hide for this element, this row and this column 1, 0, 0, 4 we are getting. So determinant of that 4 minus 0, so this will be 4. Then third, this row and this column 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, 3 we are getting. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 0, 0, that is 3. So addition of these 3 diagonal minus 10 plus 4 plus 3, that we are getting 17. So here we are right 17 lambda minus determinant of a, determinant of this matrix we are getting, that is 10 is equal to 0. So you can find out the determinant, you will get the value as 10. So now we have to solve this equation. So for solving this equation we will simplify to get the eigenvalue. So this we are getting lambda cube minus, we split this 8 lambda square into 5 lambda square minus 3 lambda square plus we will split 17 lambda also, 15 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. So we will take the common things outside. So lambda square, lambda minus 5, then minus from this we will take 3 lambda, so we are getting lambda minus 5, and from this 2 we will take 2 common, lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. So we are getting lambda minus 5 into lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So what are the equation we are getting? Lambda minus 5 into lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation. Lambda minus 5 lambda square. We split this 3 lambda. 2 minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. Take the common things outside. Lambda minus 2 minus what we are getting 1 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So we are getting lambda minus 5 lambda minus 2 and lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 5, 2 and 1. So these are nothing but eigenvalues of given matrix. Eigenvalue of given matrix. So you have to remember the formula. Then you will get the eigenvalue of any 3 by 3 matrix by using this formula. But you have to practice to get the correct values. Hope you like this video. Press the like button and share the content with your friends. Stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.